Understanding, Top with Gravy, an English language tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, top with gravy. This phrase is commonly used in culinary contexts and can be a bit confusing for English learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it. The phrase, top with gravy, is a culinary term. To top something means to add a layer of another substance over it. Gravy, on the other hand, is a sauce made from the juices of cooked meat and other ingredients. So, when we say, top with gravy, we mean to pour or spread gravy over the top of a food item. Let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. 1. Top the mashed potatoes with gravy. This means to pour gravy over mashed potatoes. 2. I'd like my steak topped with gravy. Here, it means adding gravy on top of a cooked steak. Understanding the context is key. This phrase is mostly used in dishes where gravy is an essential component. In different cultures, the type of gravy and its use can vary. For instance, in American cuisine, gravy is often served with meats and potatoes. In British cuisine, it's a staple with Sunday roasts. Knowing these cultural nuances can help in better understanding and using the phrase accurately. Don't confuse top with gravy with dip in gravy. The former is about pouring over, while the latter involves immersing the food in gravy. Remember, gravy is typically a savory sauce. Don't use this phrase for sweet sauces or toppings. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and use of the phrase, top with gravy. It's a simple yet flavorful part of culinary language in English. Happy learning and see you in our next video, where we'll explore more interesting English phrases and their meanings.